Hi guys, Chef Catherine here with another great recipe for you to try. We're doing Smoky BBQ Chicken Nachos in the air fryer. So good. Let me show you how to make them. So first thing we're gonna do is preheat the air fryer. Preheat, we're gonna turn the temperature down to 330. We are making homemade chips. Only way to go. 3 minutes. While that's preheating, we're going to spray our corn tortillas and season. A little bit of salt, and then we're gonna flip them over like a game of match that I play with my kids, who can flip the fastest. And then we're gonna spray them on the other side and salt them on the other side. One more time, and more salt. And then we're gonna be ready to put them in. Open up our basket, put the crisper plate in, and then add our chips. We want those in one even layer. We're gonna do a few rounds of this so that we have enough chips for everyone to have some. And then once we get them all in here, we are going to bake them at 330 for 8 minutes. Start. Now, while those are cooking, we are going to prep our chicken. First, we're gonna take our seasoning mix, combine that all together. We have onion powder, garlic powder, chili powder, smoked paprika, salt, and pepper. Give those a little mixy mix. And then we want a good coating on our chicken thighs, both sides. One side there, I'm gonna flip them.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
Only touch the chicken with one hand. I don't want to cross-contaminate.
Now back to our show.
And then get the rest of those seasonings on top. Give them a good massage. Make sure to get the spices evenly coated on the chicken. We'll wait for the tortillas to be done, and then I'll show you the next step. Chips. Look at those, golden and crispy. Now we're gonna take our chicken thighs that are nice and seasoned. We're gonna add them to the air fryer. There's plenty of room for all of them. This is 1 pound of chicken thighs. Put the basket back in. Air fry, and we're gonna do 15 minutes at 385. See you in a few. Okay, we're halfway through. We're gonna flip these. Snap, crackle, they smell delicious, so spicy. Another 7 minutes, and then we're on to the next step. Chicken is crispy, golden brown, all done. So we're gonna take the thighs out, put them on our cutting board, extra hot, so be careful. We are going to chop these up into like 1/2-inch pieces so that they're nice. We want them small, you hear that sizzle? So we can have like a bite on every chip. Holding with the tongs because they're too hot to touch. Now we're gonna get all this chicken into our bowl. Now we're gonna toss with our zesty, smoky barbecue sauce. Again, you like a lot of sauce? Add extra. You don't like a lot? Add less. I like extra. Set this down for a sec. We are gonna open our air fryer. We are going to carefully remove the crisper basket, very hot, and then we're gonna wipe out the excess oil from inside. You don't have to get it all, just most of it. Pick it up, put it back. Almost ready for our final step. We are going to take some parchment. This makes it easier for us to remove the nachos once we've done the final step. Here's a tip. When you scrunch up the parchment, it stays wherever you put it. I feel like if you just pull it off the roll and try to stick it in, it pops up until you put something on top. Not when you do this. Look, no popping up. So now let me get my last ingredients. We're gonna layer this up and finish. First thing we're gonna do is put a layer of chips. I don't know about you, but I do not want nachos where the top layer is like golden, bubbly, melty, delicious, and then you get one notch under that and everything's dry. You want a layer so that everyone gets the goods the whole way through. Layer chips, layer of shredded cheese, nice layer of our smoky barbecue chicken. Repeat, layer chips, extra cheese, chicken on top. Back into the air fryer, bake 7 minutes, and then we're gonna garnish with the goods and be ready to eat. These look so good. Look at that. So easy. I'm just gonna finish them off with some diced red onion, some cilantro, and a hearty dollop of sour cream. These smell so delicious. I love barbecue sauce. It's smoky, it's tangy, it's sweet. Can't wait to give these a try. Of course, I want one with everything on it. 10 out of 10. These smoky barbecue nachos are so good. The homemade chips are the key. It's worth a few rounds in the air fryer. The chicken is smoky and sweet and savory. Love the cilantro, the crunch from the onions, sour cream, absolutely delicious. Thanks for joining me today. Let us know in the comments what other summer recipes you want to see. See you again soon. Bye.